Hey folks, because of the other video, I thought about this video too. So I showed you how to show your students how to check your grades, but I didn't show you how to do audio and video comments in case you want to do something other than just type in the text. So I'm here in my grade book and I'm going to an assignment for my test student. So I'm going to open up the speed grader. Open the speed grader. I'm going to read the assignment, give them their grade. If I have a rubric, the rubric will show up here. I don't have a rubric for this assignment, but we're just going to say they were perfect and they got a 20. And then I want to add a comment. So that my options are here, that I can submit an attachment or I can make media comments. Okay, so I'm going to click media comments here. And then another window will pop up. And since my video is already on, my camera's already on, I pop up on video. So then I start recording. And here I come. And there we go. I say what I want to say. You were awesome. You did a great job. Blah, blah, blah. And then I click finish. After I click finish, you don't have to put a title on it. I'm still trying to figure out how to extract these from Canvas. I don't know how to yet, but I've just been naming them just because. So I usually just name them with the student's name and the assignment. I still have to figure out how to extract them. This is career planning. Okay, and then I save it. And then in a minute, you will see it pop up. So it popped up here in the corner. Okay, so that's the video version. Now, I tend to grade late at night, so I'm not always camera ready. So sometimes I do a audio comment instead. So again, that same window will pop up. But what I do is I turn my webcam off, so no video. So it's just audio, and then I do the same thing. I start the recording. I tell the student what I think about their assignment. I do the same process again. I click finish, and then I call it whatever I want to call it. When I figure out how to extract them, I'll make another video, but I'm still working on that. Okay, call it what I want to call it. And then it's there. And then I already showed you how the student would see it. But since I did the other video with the audio and video comments, I figured I might as well show you how to do the audio and video comments if you don't know how to do them. All right, hope these help.